Addition was the first operation a lot of us learned to do, and adding on a number line is one way we learn to add. Now we're going to take what we know about adding on a number line with positive numbers and use it to include negative numbers. On a number line, our positive numbers extend to the right, and our negative values extend to the left. Let's start using what we know about positive values. I want to add positive 5 plus positive 3. Well, all addition problems start from 0. Our number tells us the distance and our sign tells us the direction. So positive 5 tells me I'm going to go 5 spaces, and the positive tells me it's going to be to the right. So 5 spaces to the right from 0 lands me at positive 5. From there, I need to add positive 3. Again, distance and direction tells me I'm going to go 3 spaces to the right, so I'm going to land at positive 8. So positive 5 plus positive 3 gives me positive 8. Let's use that same idea to add with negatives. Negative 5 plus negative 3. Again, I'm going to start from 0. Negative 5 tells me I need to go 5 spaces, but the negative sign tells me this time it needs to be to the left. So 5 spaces to the left of 0 lands me at negative 5. From there, I need to add another negative 3. So this means I'm going to go 3 spaces to the left. 3 spaces to the left lands me at negative 8. So negative 5 plus negative 3 gives me negative 8. If you notice on our positive problem, we stayed entirely on the positive side of the number line, so our sum was positive. On our negative sign, we stayed entirely on the negative side of the number line, so our sum was negative. What happens when we want to put positive and negatives into the same problem though? What if we want to start out by illustrating positive 5 plus negative 3? Again, we're going to start at 0. Positive 5 tells us distance and direction, so we're going to go 5 places to the right since it's positive. From there, we need to move for negative 3. We're going to move 3 places and to the left since it's negative. So that lands us at positive 2. So positive 5 plus negative 3 gives us positive 2. Is it going to look the same though if I change the signs? What if I want to do negative 5 plus positive 3? Well, I'm going to start here at 0. Negative 5 is going to send me 5 places, but this time it's going to send me to the left. To add positive 3 to that, I need to move 3 places, but it's going to send me back 3 places to the right for the positive. That lands me at negative 2. So negative 5 plus positive 3 gives us negative 2. If we look at our two problems, we'll notice that 2 is actually the difference of 5 and 3. On our first problem, our 2 came out to be positive, and on our second problem, our 2 came out to be negative. If we notice, our 5 always has a longer arrow than our 3 does, whether it's positive or negative. That's because 5 has a greater absolute value than 3. So when we're adding with numbers whose signs don't match, the number that has the longer arrow or has the greater absolute value is going to tell us what sign our sum is going to be. Let's try a few more addition problems using a number line on paper. To start with, we have positive 4 plus positive 6. We're going to start at 0, and positive 4 is going to send us 4 places to the right. From there, we need to add positive 6, which means I'm going to go another 6 places to the right. When I go 6 more places to the right, I end up at positive 10. So positive 4 plus positive 6 gives me positive 10. On our next one, again, I'm going to start at 0. My first value is negative 7, so that's going to send me 7 places to the left. To that negative 7, I need to add negative 2. So that means I'm going to go another 2 places to the left. 2 more places to the left means I end up at negative 9. Negative 7 plus negative 2 gives me negative 9. Again, I'm going to start at 0, and negative 6, it's going to start out by sending me 6 places to the left. To that, I need to add positive 8, which means I need to go back 8 places to the right. When I go 8 places to the right, I'm going to land at positive 2. So negative 6 plus positive 8 gives me positive 2. On our last problem, I'm going to start at 0, and positive 9 is going to send me 9 places to the right. To that positive 9, I need to add negative 3, which means I'm going to have to go 3 places to the left. When I go back 3 places to the left, I land at positive 6. So positive 9 plus negative 3 is going to give me positive 6.